Alright guys, there's no rainbow runes out today, but that sucks for us. I just played a warm-up game, it was Hydro, and he was gonna all-out me. And apparently I lost. I lost to a Camo region lead. I don't know how my Lightning Wizard couldn't get the Camo region lead, but apparently it choked. Even though I all-outed first, which he should have died. He died on my screen. He was planning on all-outing me. Once I defended the initial all-out, I all-outed him. And it looked like, and he was supposed to die, but apparently a DC glitch. It looked like a DC glitch. Because he just tanked a million lives, so that sucks. Just robbing us of a bunch of medallions. If Rainbow Runes was out today, I would not give a shit, but it's not. Which is amazing. It's horrible for me. I don't know why Lead Dungeons replaced Rainbow Runes, because Rainbow Runes is my only recovery. So if I just lose a bunch in CC, then I can't recover in Rainbow Runes, so it's retarded. Anti-stalling, why though? I mean, stop anti-stalling. We have to get up and start, but we're gonna out-farm now, if we can place it. Why would you place your farmer there, dumbass? What a waste of a purpose. He's not gonna be sending anything himself. Yeah, makes sense. Because he's a bad player. Yeah, I think we're winning this one. With DFA, I can defend the wall. It's easy. So, I'm assuming he will. He's really not sending me anything. Three more seconds. I'll lose. No point in sending pinks. He's about to get up his airburst. Now, how much is he gonna send of this? He's gonna send a lot. Okay. Got a two triple army. Set that guy up really last. There we go. Should stop leaking now. Or at least not as much. We went for a big round 6 rush, so we're gonna punish round 7. Balloon boosted greens. It looks like he literally just greeted everything we sent with spikes. Horrible move. So we're gonna wait for the AI greens to come out. Balloon boosted greens. Yeah, well, you're gonna need more. Finish up the farm, go. Not. Okay. Seems like we've met a horrible player. Can I please place this? Never mind. Please. There we go. I only wanted that to get up to a 2-0, but we just got us fold anyway, so we're probably gonna need it. Good lady boom. Really nothing. We'll wait for anything at all. Okay, we'll boost on the left rush, I guess. That's for around 11 rush. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to prepare for that all out. Just in case you want to. You should have fast enough micro to defend. Yeah, it looks like he's not. He's just playing incredibly passive. So we're gonna go for a farm. We're playing passive as well, so we can send the camo ceramic. Then we'll be less passive. We'll get that up prematurely. If he were to send the camo ceramic second trip start, I can't really touch him. He is not for his farm. we're gonna send some leads, some raging ceramic. Right there, that should kill if he doesn't do anything. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And that's dead. Did nothing about that. He did rush me back, but he rushed me with some stupid rush. What is your idea of playing the game? Oh, to lose? Why such crap players in CC? Normally we can find some better players. Normally I don't go DFA in CC either, because I'm not like some beast that can hold off every game. He has a prestige badge, awesome. We're definitely not. I'm like negative 5,000 in prestige. Most of the time. Do we want to play on Battle Sands? Do I want to play on Battle Sands? Actually, we'll go Dart. See, somebody told me who goes Dart farm Wiz anymore. A lot of people do. It's still a good strat. It's still a good strat for beginners. You can just farm better early game. We have a great counter for that. We have Dart and Wizard. And we can farm better early game. So I don't know if he knows how to pull it off. It looks like he's good with it, but I can't really see. He didn't anti-stall properly, so that shows us. I should probably do this on short maps, right? Yeah. I know no one else is well. Already going for that? Yep, he's gonna rush. Makes sense. Be able to afford this in 6 seconds. There we go. Shouldn't make too much. We'll lose a little bit. We'll probably send blues next round. Get past this mortar. No, we can send pinks and get past this mortar. There we go. That should be enough to force defense. Give me one banana. One banana. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I don't think he's gonna rush me. Yep. Passive cover player, by the way. You tank those leaks instead of... Why wait till I'm getting up my defense to rush me, sir? Why wait? Hey, stop choking. Trip darts? Come on, trip darts. Stop choking. Trips, please stop choking. I'm okay with going for a second trip dart because I already have my plantation up. No point in not. Hello? Trip darts, if you don't stop choking, I'm going to kill you. I might actually kill you. Thank you for cleaning up. No, I shouldn't need another. Man, we can just go for a farm here. Awesome. Who needs sports, right? We can just go for a wizard. Thought he wasn't new. I can start it again. He is actually making me leak a lot, but we still have both spikes, so we're gonna use him here. Because it looked like there was a lot of pigs there. Does he want you? Rush me with anything? Get up our wizard for any rushes. Looks like we can just screw for our farm. Go for another trip dart. So we don't leak as much as we already did. We have already leaked, like, what, most of our lives? Don't really care that much, though. It should be easy to force defense here. His mortar's too far back. He's gonna leak. So we're gonna balloon this. And we'll see what he gets up. He got up his cluster. Pretty easy forcible cluster. But now we're gonna struggle to big rush round 11. Now we're not. We're good against any round 11 rush. Hi, brother. He's fine against North rushes as well. If he wants to all out round 13, that would be stupid. And dumb. There's no way he does. And that would just be dumb. I'll wait for him to slowly move it over. We'll boost to that. That's an absolutely humongous rush. So, I'm okay boosting. Actually, I'm not. I'm now less okay with it. I just realized he could all out me and we'd die. No? He's not gonna all out, okay. So, shit. Round 16 we'll go and send some region leads. Gonna struggle because his defense is at the back of the map. That's just accidentally sent that. As long as that's on strong, we'll defend that, sir. Don't understand that. He's gonna be boosted. Still might not be enough. It's not gonna be enough. Okay, GG. Don't underestimate that region lead rush. You got up multiple clusters, but not smart. The Bernie stuff pops them into blacks, and then the clusters can't pop the blacks, so just get up a blue and impact. He was gonna need it anyway, so I don't really understand that. We were properly drained as well. If he didn't choke to that, we're probably gonna lose. Hello, sir. So the reason why I got so much defense after I boosted is because I had Wizard, and boosting then is horrible. So I assumed he would just immediately all out me, but he's not. He didn't. So we were preparing to defend that. I assumed he was. Head scutters. I like my Wizard trap, bro. I don't know why right now. Probably because Wizard's easy to pull off. I gotta remember, to fully defend against region lives, you're gonna need like 2 lightnings and a destroyer on this map. No, he's anti. Which isn't smart because we have boats, so it doesn't really matter. He's going for his farm. Don't upgrade that, buddy. I don't know why you would anti-skull, though. That's what I don't get. He's rushing this boat spot with red. Smart. With such little reds, you look like a good player. That's not forcing anything. I guess he's just waiting to ping, but you could force the grape shot right now. I don't understand you. Faster shooting already. What the hell? You're a weird player. I'm gonna spike those, get up for a great shot. Listen, do you not understand? You're rushing this grape shot spot still. This grape shot spot is stupid good. We'll leak a little bit because of AI, but after the AI, it just goes. No leaks ever again. I guess he's just trying to get us low on lives. So if he sent more than $400 worth of rushing, so we can go ahead and get that up. So we're gonna have to take a huge farm advantage now. I wouldn't rush with blacks though. We accidentally bought that, so never mind. We're not taking a farm advantage because we accidentally bought the stupidest upgrade in the game. Stupidest isn't even a word. That's how bad it is. Now, deadly voice crack. Like that. Just a little bit, because we don't have the money. We don't leak down too low. He's going for his destroyer already. So we're going to take a huge farm advantage. He's not a good player. He's really not. Balloon boosted yellows does get past his defense, so. But on this map, it's so long, I don't think it will. If he balloon boosts yellows, depends on how much he sends. We'll just boost, yeah. Right now, we'll just boost. Looking like a boost. No, he's not gonna do it. Okay. It's not a smart rush. Not right now. Get that up just in case he does. Round 10. I'm gonna need Blizzard. He's some defense as well. Regions are so deadly on this map, so he's not gonna send us anything, so that's alright. Yes, boat snipers. That kind of works. Maybe it was smart for him to be aggressive with this strat. Yeah. We gotta make sure that we don't boost this round. We gotta make sure, okay? Now, if we all out, that would be dumb. Dumbest decision of his life. And last. I'm just watching his farms. See if any gets sold. He's not farming too well. Small one will force big defense though. It should force a semi-auto, selling a farm. Something. Okay. Should have balloon boosted that and it would have been a smart rush. Forced the semi-auto anyway, so that's nice. Semi-auto is very expensive upgrade. So we'll get up our destroyer here. Our destroyer will boost. Oh crap. So we kinda did just boost, which sucks for us. We can afford so much defense right now. We can afford so much defense. There's no way this doesn't fully defend. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. This does fully defend. Yep. And the audit. We can't all out him though. No sniper. If we do all out, we're gonna all out with zeros. Because we can send more and it should slowly overwhelm the sniper. God. I'm thinking it out here with Moab. Because the sniper's gonna aim for the Moab, and then the zebras are just gonna slip on by. The zebras are just gonna slip their way on by. I feel. He's boosting to that, but it's gonna slip by. It's gonna slip by. Yep, and that's exactly what we should have done. It was a smart rush, a huge rush, but he got up a second destroyer. He's a better player than what I originally thought. Now we have no lead detection currently, at the moment. Our eco's feeling nice. How are we going to defend a BFB? Oh, we're just going to bolt pull it, duh. How is he going to defend a BFB? He's just going to bolt pull it. But our farms are in shambles, so he's not defending all out. And we won't either, so get ready. He's not defending it all out right now. I'll just do and fight. I don't think he's defending that. Yep, it's GG's. Good game, honestly. Also voice crack. Boat sniper, that did really work, because he all-outed and we couldn't all-out him, so good game. Just give him a thumbs up. It was a smart game by both of us. I know sniper's weakness. You want to all-out with zebras, because it one-pops zebras, but you can send so much more than rainbows. See, it's just gonna turn the rainbows into reds, and then whatever he has next is gonna clean up. But zebras, it's just gonna slowly overwhelm it, because it can't shoot it fast enough to, defend it all. If it was a shorter map, yeah, he would have lost. I want to try dart farm boat, so if we get a good map for it, like Waddle Resort, then I'll definitely try it. Sniper, oh my god. Sniper, it's a good tower, to be honest. This guy's not too good. I'm happy going DFA, but I want to try boat farm sniper. No, wait a minute. No, I want to try boat farm dart farm boat. He's going to be skipping that map. We could have tried it then. Can't really do it here, so we'll do the strat he went. He kind of just all-outed us, and then we couldn't all-out him, so it's a good, cheap, and easy way to get wins. See how he had so much wins there? Yeah, so we're just going to take his strategy. I knew it was a strat because of Sensation, so he never used it, though. He just talked about it. Really? Oh, no, or was it Super ROMs? I don't know, but somebody told me this. we're gonna have to start out with this guy. Even though it's a long map, we're still not gonna be able to defend because he anti-stalled. We sent quite a few here. We'll send some more. Awesome. For ledge attacks in early, around 12, we're just gonna go for a cannon chip. Dang it, I oversent. That sucks. Feels bad. Feels bad. He has a little mosquito, by the way. Just a mosquito flying around. He has not a good early starting tower, but I don't expect him to be good. We're gonna wait for him to send a lot of these, because our boat right now defends. I don't know why he sends blues instead of reds. Reds is much more effective. So we'll wait till we're about to leave. We'll go for our plantation, because he's sending blues. If he was sending reds, no. But since he's sending blues, go ahead and, yeah. Get that up. Probably spike this. Hello, Spike. Do your job. Nice. Now, we're all good against that. He's been rushing me, so he doesn't have money to defend his own rushes. That's pretty easy. See if he knows what to do against balloon boosted greens with submarine. Ideal way to defend with sub? Oh, he could just get up a fireball, so. Yep, that's exactly what he did. Smart, actually. No, he actually knew what to do there. He got up a lightning wizard, not smart. Okay, looks like he actually knows how to rush. Surprise. No, he does not. He's gonna greed for our farm because he did not come in flat. Of course, that's the upgrade from. If he sends a bunch of yellows next round, we're just gonna boost. Just gonna boost. Pinks aren't gonna do anything, buddy. Maybe with the round 7 AI, but that's just a couple lives, to be honest. So we'll go for our plantation and get ready to boost next round. With sniper, we don't have to care about our boost because of how good it is against balloons. It's like turbo, kind of. He's not gonna be rushing, surprised, because we were ultra greedy. So I'm assuming farms are priority here with this sniper strat. Assuming. We just missed the bananas. Feels bad. Now we'll get this up because like AI is giving us problems. If AI is giving you problems, you got problems. Now he hasn't sent us any lead ones, so just in case of a lead one, get up this way. It's an expensive lead defense, to be honest. It's an expensive lead defense. If you are, which isn't smart. Oh geez, not even. If you are, which one is again? Getting up this. We're gonna send him a big region. Super Bomb Jumbo Rush. We're gonna send him one of those. Oh really? You can't defend that. Come on, man. Give me a good game. I wanted to show off the sniper skills. Basically, with this sniper shot, you can kind of all out, and then they can't all out you because you can destroy theirs. Okay, we found a decent opponent, I guess. Made a lot of medallions. Jesus. Honestly, I'm planning on going to Moa Pit. Also, we're daily uploading, so if you're wondering why we're actually getting a lot of uploads done, we're daily uploading. We're going to be doing this for a while. I should be a better player to actually play the game, so I should come up with unique things. I want to use the unique strategies. That's something I have planned. Because if you're not good at the game, just use unique strategies, you know? I'll get better. Actually, we can go one of those unique strategies I was thinking about. As in boat farm darts. Not a lot of people use it, but we can show off the benefits of it. I'm not that bad. Good player. Here's a decent map to show it off. Basically, it just lets you greed really well early game. It really does. Here's an amazing map to show it off. It's pretty good, because there's good dart spots, not so much boat. But it lets you greed really well early game, and of course darts good late game. And the dart pops the oh my god layers, and then you use the boat to destroy the BFBs. So that's the basics of it. That's the basics of it late game. You use the, which it can't really outlast DFA, I don't think. But yeah, boat does one shot the BFBs. Since we can greed so well early game, doesn't really matter that he's using Cobra. Since we can greed so well. But yeah, I don't know. Does it outlast Dart Farm Ace? I don't think it does. It's like that once. Now he's probably surprised to see that we're going Buccaneer. No? It's either that or he's face bombing or something. Give me a minute, and you're gonna wait a minute so we can change. That was awkward how we didn't have enough money. Oh crap. Already got that guy up. So we're just gonna sit here, farm on. How good is this boat spot? Not really that well, I don't think. So we're going to farm dart. We're gonna show the off this strat. It's good late game. I know it's good, but it's not the best. It's the best on Waddle, I know that much. I can't wait to get my phone, a good phone, and then we can play better. Our farms are looking nice. Our lives looking nice as well. Might as well just spike that right there. It's gonna be layering some stuff. But it's not great on this map. I'm just now figuring that out. So it's not great. We're gonna need a cleanup tower just back there. It can hit the map. That's it for some defense. Right there, that's it. Solid. We boost around. Okay, with some mortar microwave defense, but also he got up that Bernie to a very cheap rush. Yeah, so he got Bernie up to a cheap rush. Amazing. Ideal map for this strat is Waddle. We'll be all good against that. Don't understand why you're even sending. Dude, what are you doing? How big? Pretty big. Can't really tell on this map how big it's gonna be. He's really aggroing. Looks like we could leak a couple lights. Not really. Not really at all. I don't want to get too low, you know. So what do we do with this shot? Do we go for a juggy, boy? I'm gonna go for a juggernaut. I'm gonna go for a juggernaut. On that. Or I'm close. Really? Just Limbus in a big rush? What? I'm gonna panic, get up a destroyer. All that, one more. Juggernaut destroyer shows the solos a lot. How about close? How about that? I don't know, I'm trying out different targeting for it. I don't think you would all out this strat. I don't think it's even smart. But it is hard to place both here, so get ready for the all out. Guys, if he was, like, really all outing, it would be hard to place boats there. Right, he's sending space to Zebras against the Destroyer. What are you doing, kid? Oh, he's space decoing. He has a lot of, and I do mean a lot, of those boys. It's always gonna balloon boost lead balloons? What? Worst case scenario, I have to boost. That's worst case. Yeah, so that's not good. He's now he's gonna start balloon adjusting here. We're a little drained. I think 3 Destroyers should solo for a little bit. I don't understand where to place my bolts, so I'm just gonna get a couple here. And it seems like he has a lot of balloon adjustments over there. Yeah, we'll defend for the most part. We'll have one of these guys strong. Now he's gonna send leads up behind. Actually smart. Smart rush. Ceramic got by, boosting. Crap. Come on. God dang it, man. I don't think he's defending it all out. I don't think he will. Pull out, sniper. That sniper would really help us out against Sonic. Yeah. Sniper. Nice. This defends, right? This defends. Defends basically all. It defends everything. We balloon boosted too early, don't care. We could have stayed and defended the balloon adjustment. Oh. He's gonna counter all out here. He's gonna misdirect, which isn't. So we're just gonna get that guy up. We're gonna get this up, and no, we're not. We're not gonna be able to afford it. We're not gonna be able to afford it. Well done. Well done. What, we popped that? We popped the BFB as well. Alright, good. I meant well done, not good game. Okay, well, that's the video. That's the video for today.